everyone, and welcome back to my channel, JRC Restoration, Decor, and Designs. And my name is Phyllis. This is just a friendly reminder of the upcoming Christmas in July collaboration beginning Saturday, July 3rd, 2021, to be uploaded at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. You can Google the time equivalent to your time zone. This collaboration is being hosted by Phoenix of Really Good Living, now under a new channel name, Glam Elegant Living. For details, YouTube etiquette, and guidelines regarding this collaboration, you can go to her community tab. Her co-hosts are as follows: Sandy of Sister Cousin Lifestyle, Felicia of The Rogers House, Jerry of The Happy Hoarder, Anna of the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Melissa of Buckeye Girl Wreaths, and yours truly. Again, my name is Phyllis, and my channel name is JRC Restoration, Decor, and Designs. And we are the Christmas Exclusive Decor Club. If you are interested in being part of this collaboration for this month of July, please use hashtag Christmas in July in your description box when creating your videos. And we want to thank you all in advance for being a part of this fun collaboration and anxiously await to see what you have to share with us. And as I share at the end of most of my videos, the distance between your dreams and reality is called action. So make it a blessed and productive day, everyone. Bye-bye.